Pediatric test trays for NET, PG, USMLE, etc. In this MCQ and some important point discussion. Part 1. Question: all are true about fetal circulation except right umbilical vein disappear after birth. Functional closure of foramen ovale occurs after birth. Umbilical artery regress to form medial umbilical ligament. Anatomical closure of ductus arteriosus occur by 1 month. Answer: right umbilical vein disappear after birth. Answer 1 is right. In the normal fetus, the right umbilical vein begins to obliterate around the 4th week of gestation and disappears by the 7th week of the gestation. Means question number 1 is wrong because right umbilical vein disappear before the birth. Important point to remember: adult remnant of fetal circulatory structure. Fetal structure, adult remnant. Foramen ovale remains as fossa ovalis of the heart. Ductus arteriosus, ligamentum arteriosus, left umbilical vein, extrahepatic portion, ligamentum teres hepatis. Intrahepatic portion, ductus venosus, remains as ligamentum venosum. Left and right umbilical arteries, proximal portion, umbilical branch of the internal iliac artery, and distal portion, medial umbilical ligament. Remember these points because many questions asked from this point. Question: a child of 7 years presented with the fever for 5 days with conjunctivitis, rash over the palms and sole, red tongue, and unilateral cervical lymphadenopathy. What is diagnosis? Number 1, Kawasaki disease. Number 2, scarlet fever. Number 3, bacterial conjunctivitis. Number 4, HSP, Enoch-Scollin purpura. The answer is number 1, Kawasaki disease. The classical criteria for Kawasaki disease. Kawasaki disease is a medium vessel vasculitis. Number 1, fever persisting at least 5 days. Presence of at least 4 principal features: changes in the extremities, acute erythema of the palm, sole, edema of hand and feet, polymorphous exanthems, bilateral bulbar conjunctival injection without exudate, changes in lips and oral cavity, erythema, lips cracking, strawberry tongue, cervical lymphadenopathy greater than 1.5 centimeter, usually unilateral. Important point about scarlet fever: caused by streptococcus, may have fever, painful lymphadenopathy, rash blanches, may be in the form of fine papillae called sandpaper or pastia lines marked in skin fold, not associated with aneurysm formation, respond to antibiotic. HSV, Enoch-Scollin purpura, is the most common childhood vasculitis, involves a small size blood vessel and manifests with palpable purpura, rash generally over the lower limbs and buttocks region. Other features include pain abdomen with gross or microscopic hematuria. Question: first stool after birth is green due to number 1, bilirubin, number 2, biliverdin, number 3, meconium, number 4, gut flora. Answer is meconium. Question: last fontanelle to fuse in a child is anterior, posterior, medial, lateral. Answer is 1, anterior. Important point to remember: anterior fontanelle, time of fusion 1.5 years to 2 years. Posterior fontanelle, time of fusion 2 to 6 months. Anterolateral sphenoidal fontanelle, time of fusion 2 to 3 months. Posterolateral mastoid fontanelle, time of fusion 12 months. These points should be remembered. What is the age of the child who draw a circle and builds tower of 7 cubes. Number 1, 1 years. Number 2, 2 years. Number 3, 2.5 years. Number 4, 3 years. Answer is number 4, 3 years. Previously, I made a video on fine motor skill. Go through the video. It has been all written there. Question: why dexterous grip is seen at what age? Number 1 is 4 months. Number 2 is 5 months. Number 3 is 6 months. Number 4 is 7 months. Answer 1 is 4 months. Bidextrous grip means reaching for the object by both hands. It comes first at the age of 4 months. Unidextrous grip means reaching for the object by one hand. It comes next at the age of 6 months. For this, I made video on 5 fine motor skills. Go to the channel and see the video. Question: vocabulary of a 1-year-old child is: number 1 is limited to bisyllable sound like baba, mama. Number 2, 2 words with the meaning. Number 3, 10 words with the meaning. Number 4, simple sentences. Answer is 2 words with the meaning. Question: which of the following can be done by an 18-month-old baby? Number 1, making tower of 9 cubes. Number 2, can use 10 words with meaning. Number 3, rides tricycle. Number 4, turn pages of the book one at a time. Answer 2 is can use 10 words with the meaning. All these are questions from child growth assessment. I have made this. Go to the previous video and learn it. If chronological age is greater than skeletal age with normal growth velocity, then the final height that is expected to be achieved is: number 1 is normal, less because of the small bone, more than expected, less because of epiphyseal closure due to accelerated growth velocity. Here answer is a 1, normal. If the chronological is greater than a skeletal age, then the expected height will be normal. Important point to remember: this is the chart. Short stature, normal growth velocity and altered growth velocity. In normal growth velocity, normal variant short stature. If the bone is less than chronological age, then it is a constitutional delay. If the bone is equal to chronological age, then it is a familial short stature. In altered growth velocity, short stature other than normal variant. Question: a premature baby develops respiratory distress syndrome. Which cells are defective in this baby? Number 1, type 1 alveolar pneumocytes. Number 2, type 2 alveolar pneumocytes. Number 3, capillary endothelial cells. Number 4, bronchial mucosal cell. So answer is answer 2, type 2 pneumocytes. Type 2 pneumocytes secretes surfactant which prevent the respiratory distress syndrome in the baby. Thank you. If you like video, then like it, subscribe it and share it. Search it on YouTube at the rate of Dr. Umesh Medical.